Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aman Codes. In today's episode, we are going to see how to create an object of DICT by using other collection data type. So, in order to create an DICT object by using other collection data types, we have two methods. So, two ways we can declare an DICT object. First way and second way. So let's see the first way in practical. Now I'm opening Python command prompt. See here, this is my list 1. This is my list 2. By using this list data type, we are going to declare dict data type. So now I'm going to use simple function called zip off. For this zip function, I am passing lst1 comma lst2. Whenever this zip function will came, PVM will take the values as like this. See here, it will create like this box in memory space. So it will create memory space in that it divides two parts because we are passing two objects. So first it is going to take LST1 and LST2. Here it stores LST1 and here it stores LST2, right? So it will partition like this. See here. Whenever the zip function is came, LST1 elements like this 10, 20, 30 and 40, right? After that LST2 elements are RS, JS, DR. So these are the LST1 elements and these are the LST2 elements, right? So by seeing this, we can easily observe it is a key value for this value of value. Now I'm trying to print Z and its type. When I try to print a Z and its type, it throws this zip object at so and so address and it comes under class zip, right? So in order to print the elements in the dict format, I want to typecast that Z into dict format. See here, D is equals to dict of Z. If I do this, it will convert into dict object. See here, whenever I try to print a D and its type, see, it is going to display the things like this. See, 10 RS, 20 JS, 30 DR, 40 SR. So this LST1 first element and this LST2 first elements are combined one like this. So it has converted into dict data type, right? So by this we can easily convert and list data type into dict data type. This is method 1. I'm going to declare this thing in second method. See, so this is my LST list object. Inside this list, I have declared a tuple like this. So when I try to print LST and its type, so this data comes under class list. I'm converting this LST to dict. See here, D1 is equals to dict of LST. If I do this thing, it will convert into dict data type. Now I'm trying to print a D1 and its type. See here, inside list I have declared a tuple. In that tuple I have declared one element as 1 and another element as a string. So 1 comes under value of key. This strings comes under value of value. So like this, it has converted this tuple in list to dict object, right? Which comes under class dict. So class list has converted into class dict. Not only by using this tuple in list, we can also do this thing in list also. So this is my list in list, right? Now I'm going to convert this LST1 into dict. See here, I'm declaring here D. D is equals to dict of LST1. Now I'm trying to print a type of D and its value. See here. So it has converted into dict, right? See, this is a value which comes under class dict. So by this way, we can declare dict object. So we will try to discuss this miscellaneous questions. These miscellaneous questions are important in interview point of time. So the first question comes here. So this is my LST. Now I'm going to convert this LST directly into dict. It does not convert it. Why in the sense? See here, it has only single element. So for this dict, we want two elements, right? One value acts as key, another acts as value, right? So we have only one value. We have only one element. So it throws a type error. See here, if I do this thing, it throws type error, right? Object is not iterable. Not iterable in the sense we want two elements, but it has one element only. So it can't convert dictionary, right? So if I try to declare the LST like this, see here, it consists of two elements. One acts as value of key, another acts as value of value. So by this, see, if I do conversion of this LST into dict, it will happen. See here. So if I try to print D and its type, see here, it is going to print the list in a dict format. See, so A comes under value of key, one comes under value of value, right? So this value comes under class dict. So this is one thing in this miscellaneous questions. So in order to print this thing, I'm going to use a simple for loop. So A is value of key, one is value of value. So like that we have B and C also. So same like this, if I declared here A11, B22, C33, if I do this thing, so if I declare here A11, B22, C33. So it is not going to declare like this. See here, if I do this thing, A which belongs to 1, 1, B, B value is 2, 2, C value is 3, 3. So it is not going to declare like this. It is going to throw an error. Let's see the error. When I try to convert this thing, it is going to show error, right? See here, value error it is going to show. Dictionary update sequence element hash 0 has length 3. 2 is required in the sense we want the string length 2. Then only we can convert that into dictionary. The string length we have here 3, right? So that is the reason we can't convert that into dictionary. That is the reason it throws an error called value error. So this thing is not going to be happen in dictionary, right? So if I declare LST is equals to A1 comma A2 comma A3. So who are going to think like this? They are wrong. See here, it is going to declare A1, A2, A3. It is not going to declare like this. Why? In the sense, in this LST, if I try to convert this into dict, it is going to convert, but it stores only one key comma value. That is, so value of key is same. For the same value of key, we are updating the value of value, right? If I try to convert this into dict, now I am trying to print D and its type. See here, it has only one element A colon 3, right? So A has updating in each step. So this is one more miscellaneous question in this DICT data type. Now we are going to see what is this zip concept. Now I'm going to take one example. See here. So here I have LST1, LST2, LST3. LST1 stores 10, 20, 30. LST2 stores RSDR, SR. LST3 stores 1.2 to 2.3. 5.6, right? I'm going to declare one object Z1 is equals to zip of, I'm going to do this thing, LST1 comma, LST2 comma, LST3. Whenever it is going to done, internally the PVM is going to declare memory management like this. Based on the passing objects, it is going to do the partitions. So it has three objects, it is going to do like this, right? So in that, first LST1 is going to stored here, LST2 is going to stored here, and LST3 is going to stored here, right? So LST1 elements are 10, 20, 30, right? Next LST2 elements are RS, DR, SR, and the LST3 elements are 1.2, 2.3, 5.6, right? So whenever the zip function is used, then the PVM going to maintain like this in memory management. Not only these three, if we pass n, it is going to do this n allocations like this. So it is going to take n allocations if we pass n lists. See here, if I directly do this thing, Z1 comma type of Z1. So it shows like this, zip object at so and so address comes under class zip, right? So in order to print the zip elements, I'm going to use a simple for loop like this. See here, it is going to print the zipped elements, right? See here, whenever we declare zip, it is going to take that table, right? That table is going to print like this by using a simple for loop. By using zip concept, we can merge the two lists elements. Not only two list elements, we can merge the more than two list elements. So apart from that all, so by using this zip concept, we can combine the number of lists and we can print the data in this format. So this is about zip concept. In today's episode, we have discussed about zip concept and miscellaneous questions that are in DICT data type, and we have discussed creating an object of DICT by using other collection data types. So in upcoming episodes, we are going to discuss about non-type data type. So that's all for today's episode. I hope you all understand. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aman Codes. Thank you so much for watching.